Girl number two. Hey. You're not playing or anything right now. You're just kind of chilling, aren't you? Right? You're just chilling. She's a pretty girl, too. Not playing at the moment. Let's get some look at you. Look at those big, beautiful markings. Yes, hi, sweetie. Hi, what you doing? Yes, what you doing? This is girl number 3. You are still in your fuzzy stage, aren't you, darling? Hey, she's a lovely little girl. Hi, honey. Hey, what you doing? Gonna come visit me? Come here. You can get underneath me. Won't do you any good. Hey, she's got some pretty markings. A little bit smaller. She'll make a lovely pet. Beautiful, beautiful baby. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful baby. Here's our only boy. Hey, monkey boy. Hey. Hey, you. What you doing? What you doing? Okay. He's also very lovely. And silly. Right? And silly. Let's watch him for a second. Hey. Hey. Can we see your markings? He's got big markings also. This was just a lovely litter. Yes. All those at it. Yes, and you're complaining. You're complaining. Oh, I know, Mama. Hi. Saba. There we go. There we go. That's it. Hey. Hey. What you doing, monkey?